name is Rachel Finnegan, and I'm one of the mathematics teachers here at Spruce Grove Composite High School. We have a wonderful math department, and we look forward to having you join our grade 10 classes. As you may know, high school mathematics is split into 3 levels of math. The goal for Dash 1 is to provide students with a higher level of understanding of mathematics and critical thinking skills, particularly for post-secondary courses that require the study of calculus. Engineers, physicists, and high school math teachers are examples of some careers that would require the Dash 1 stream. This curriculum emphasizes mathematical theory. Dash 2 courses, the goal is to provide students with mathematical understandings and critical thinking skills identified for post-secondary that do not require calculus. Many fields accept the Dash 2 level of mathematics as prereqs. Nurses, dental assistants, respiratory therapists, and interior designers are some examples of careers that would accept Dash 2. In the Dash 3 stream, the focus is to prepare students for math in trades and general workplaces. Mechanics, carpenters, hairstylists, and chefs are some examples of careers that accept the Dash 3 stream. Your grade 9 math teacher will speak to you or has already spoken to you regarding a recommended math course for grade 10. As you progress through high school math, you'll begin to consider post-secondary options. At that time, it is important to research the requirements for your program of interest. Many university programs will accept either Math 30-1 or 30-2 as prerequisites, and many trade programs will accept Math 30-3. Regardless of which math course you take here, math in high school will look different than what you may be used to. While we extend and build upon the concepts learned in junior high, there is more of a focus on the process of getting your answer rather than just the correct answer. We stress the correct written communication of your mathematical work. Some of you may be entering our Math 10 CT program, which we are going to highlight today. We have a couple of grade 12 students here who are going to speak to their experience in taking the 10 CT program. So, what grade are you in?
So I am in grade 12.
Perfect. And you went through the 10 CT program. Can you tell us a little bit about what the 10 CT program is?
So with 10 CT, it's pretty much your math extended throughout a year doing both math 10-3 and 10-1. It is really helpful for if you're not the strongest in math, like I personally was. It really gives you that extra boost to really succeed in math 10-1, doing 10-3 first.
Awesome, perfect. And can you tell us a little bit about your personal experience taking 10 CT?
So personally, I think it really helped me benefit for my next grade level courses by having that extra step and it being prolonged so that I was able to get my work done over a slow amount of time instead of being rushed so much.
Okay, thanks for coming in. So first I just want to ask, what grade are you in?
I'm in grade 12 this
Grade
year.
12, perfect. And you were part of the 10 CT program, right?
Yes.
Perfect. Could you tell us what your experience was with 10 CT?
For me, it was a really good experience coming from doing grade 9 math in a different language to a nice smoother transition to grade 10 and high school math. Because, you know, grade 9 math in French is way different than doing it in English. So it made it a lot smoother and less stressful and not just worrying about it all overall.
Awesome, that's really great. And what other benefits would you say are there for 10 CT?
And honestly, a lot of the stuff that we learned in 10 CT really carried over on in the last 3 years I've done math.
Now I'm sure you may have heard of seminar time here at SGCHS. We have a couple of students here to tell us a little bit about seminar time and how they use it to help them in math. First question I want to ask is, what grade are you in?
I'm in grade 10.
Perfect. Can you tell us a little bit about what seminar time is?
Well, for me, it's pretty much me going to the room, sitting down, and just starting working on work that I haven't done yet.
Perfect, okay. And why do you like seminar time for math in particular?
Because I find it very difficult to focus at math at my own house, just because it's always so loud.
Okay.
So it's easier to do it during seminar.
Nice, perfect. What would you say to incoming grade 10 students about seminar time and how they can use it to help them with math?
Using it is very advantageous because the teacher isn't necessarily trying to deal with other things. It's way easier to ask for help.
First thing I want to ask is, what grade are you in?
I'm in grade 10.
Grade 10, perfect. How do you use seminar time for math?
Usually to get assignments done that I don't or aren't able to complete at home.
Perfect. And what are the benefits to coming in for seminar for math?
Some benefits are like you don't have to you get to have more free time at home or spend time with people you don't really get to.
Mm-hmm. And what about like working one-on-one? Is there more opportunity for one-on-one?
Yeah, because you don't have to wait the next day to get questions answered and you just go right out.
Perfect. Is there anything you would like to say to incoming grade 10s for next year about how they can use seminar time?
Use it.
Just use it?
It's useful.
So I wanted to ask, what grade are you in?
I'm in grade 12.
Okay. And so we already know what seminar time is, so how do you use seminar time for
I
math?
use seminar to get extra help with questions I'm confused with and just to do my homework, so I have more time in the evening to do my extracurricular activities, work, and just chill out and not have to worry about homework.
Okay, that's awesome. Do you have any advice for any incoming grade 10s coming into Spruce Grove Comp about how they should use seminar with their math?
If you need help with anything, just use it because teachers are more available during seminar than they are during class. And like if you just use it, then you have your evenings free to not worry about schoolwork.
We hope you had a few questions answered and also hope you're looking forward to joining us here at SGCHS. Our virtual open house will be February 25th between 6 and 8 p.m. and we welcome you to join us on our Google Meet. Hope to see you then.